Hello dear traders, the first policy meeting of the US Fed this year is over. Stock markets responded to the Fed's decisions with a sharp decline. Investors are worried that the central bank might raise the official funds rate at a faster pace than predicted. Thus, the prospects of aggressive monetary tightening are bearish for American stocks. Notably, US stock exchanges had been trading higher with the 2% gains before the Federal Reserve announced its policy decisions. Apparently, investors hoped for cautious rhetoric of the regulator. However, the truth defied expectations. The looming rate hike and the hawkish stance discouraged Wall Street investors. So, the major stock indexes closed with moderate losses yesterday. The Dow Jones closed 0.4% down. Both the Nasdaq and the S&P500 edged down 0.15%. Nevertheless, it's too early to speak about the uptrend. Futures on the S&P 500 shed 1.3% to trade at nearly 4,361 points. The index is drifting lower in the corridor between 4,320 and 4,390 points. The Fed's policy update and the news about the first rate hike in March reinforced that the US dollar across the boat. Its index rose in confidence yesterday and is still keeping the bullish momentum. The index climbed to 97.11. It's expected to extend growth inside the corridor between 96.40 and 97.00. The dynamic of the USD CAD pair has been developing as predicted. Obviously, the currency pair reversed upwards in light of the Fed's announcements. Apparently, the Federal Reserve was the crucial market catalyst so that the loonie neglected even rising oil prices. Now, the USD CAD pair is trading at about 1.2685. with the prospects of further growth within a corridor between 1.2680 and 1.2800. Bitcoin ventured to break through resistance at 38,500 today. However, all efforts were in vain. The price went down to $35,600. Then the crypto began growing slowly but surely. Currently, the digital token is trading nearly $36,639, testing the 50% Fibonacci correction from a swing low of 32,940 to a swing high of 38,490. The crypto is facing the first resistance at about 37,000. The following resistance levels are defined at 38,000 and $38,500. If Bitcoin fails to begin a new bullish wave above 38,000, a new fall will be imminent. In the policy statement yesterday, the US Fed highlighted progress in employment in recent months as well as healthy economic conditions. And today, we knew that the US GDP data released today confirms this statement. The US economy expanded by 6.9% in the fourth quarter, following a minor 2.3% rise in the previous quarter. Moreover, initial unemployment claims decreased to 260,000 last week from 290,000 previously, matching expectations. This is how American markets are trading after the Fed's policy meeting. See you tomorrow.